Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So this is just a quick grocery haul, just kind of a few things we needed to go and get. And here's the reason why. Today we have our brand new 100% working dishwasher. Come on through, Jesus. And so somebody was saying that they don't use the powder in their dishwasher, they just use liquid. So we did not have any liquid dishwasher, and I needed to get some of that, and I wanted to get some of this rinse aid as well. So that's the reason I went to the grocery store. Well, I went to Walmart and picked up those two things. And then Alana I had gotten her a couple shirts, but they were a little too small. She likes a baggy shirt, and so we went and exchanged the two shirts that we just exchanged those for a 2X, because these are the Walmart shirts and they are going to shrink. But she likes shirts that's just oversized so she can kind of bag around the house, because she don't plan on wearing them outside, but that's how she's comfortable. And so I thought, while I'm there, let me pick up a few things. We're doing Mediterranean Keto this week, and most of that is fish or seafood, and we're doing salmon patties for dinner. But we're using pork rinds as our breadcrumbs, and Jackson can't have pork rinds, so I needed to pick him up some saltines. I'm going to crush those up and use that. So I picked up some blueberries and strawberries because we're almost out of those. We picked up sausage for Scotch eggs. We have 12 boiled eggs done, and I just did my own version of Scotch eggs. It's just sausage, a little bit of shredded cheese mixed together, and then that wrapped around the boiled egg and into the oven until the sausage is done. I know they do it differently. That was just the way I could do it to make it keto friendly for me. We got some of this chile limon. This is like a popcorn season for Jackson to put on his popcorn. He's been enjoying that. Heavy whipping cream. I picked up some of this Natural Bliss, half almond milk, half coconut cream. That's keto friendly for my coffee. A little bit of the sugar-free heavy whipping cream. We got 5 of these sparkling waters, but we lost one in the car somewhere. Vegetable broth, because I was making a soup, and I want to make sure that I make it so Jackson can have some, and he is doing no meat. So I picked up vegetable broth. I know a lot of you say, why do you buy broth? Because you make your own. Yes, I do, but Jackson won't eat it. So I did get that, and so he'll have something to flavor his noodles. These were on the international aisle. They are 28 cents a bag for 7.05 ounces. Picked him up shells and elbows, and then some pork rinds, 2 Good yogurt. So I kind of went through that pretty quickly, but it was just a very, very quick grocery haul. That's what we have. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you liked the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.